You would either need complex automations or a developer to keep your data in sync with the RSS feed. In this video, I will show you how you can use Byteline Sync to easily keep your Webflow CMS in sync with the RSS feed. And Webflow CMS is just an example. You can use any of the supported apps in Byteline. And this requires no coding. So let's go with the demo. So here is the RSS feed that I have, and here is my Webflow CMS. So here is the CMS that is currently in sync with the RSS feed. And here is the Byteline console where I have a live sync that is keeping RSS feed and Webflow CMS in sync. The RSS feed has only 20 records at a time. So this sync will delete all the extra records that are on Webflow CMS, update the records that are in both RSS feed and Webflow CMS if something changes, and then whatever the new records that get added to the RSS feed, those are added to Webflow CMS. So, so let's see how we can create this sync. So I'm going to stop this sync and configure a brand new sync just to show you how you can easily create this. Okay, so you log into the Byteline console and then you come on this page. So select the first tab as RSS and the second one as Webflow. So on the next page, it will ask you for the feed URL. So this is my feed. And we also support password protected feeds. So in that case, you can also specify username and password. And here is my Webflow. It's already connected to Byteline. And I'm gonna make it sync with the CMS collection. And here is my Webflow site. So it's going from the RSS feed to my Hacker News CMS collection. Let's continue. And we're gonna sync the existing data and future changes. So which means like all the existing data will first sync, and then the sync becomes live, and it will keep the data in sync. This is the field mapping screen. So where we show all the fields available in the RSS feed, and you can easily map them to the Webflow CMS fields. So the default mapping looks good, but if you want to add or change the mapping, you can just drag the fields like that. So let's continue. This is for the syncing existing data. So we are just asking in which direction you want to sync the existing data. So in this case, it's going from the RSS to Hacker News. So now it will generate the preview and show you how many records will be created, updated, and deleted when the sync becomes live. So deletion of the record is optional. You can, as you can see here, so by default, it will just keep the unmatched items. But if you want to delete those extra items from the Webflow CMS, you can pick mark for deletion, which is recommended because that way both your apps are exactly in sync. Let's click on next, and as you can see here, so these are so it's gonna create 20 items, and so the existing items are all the older items, so it's gonna delete them. So let's start the sync. So it first syncs the historical data, and after that it will make the sync live. So the historical data is now in sync and our sync is live. So now this will just keep running in the background. You don't need to be on this screen here. You can close this browser. The sync keeps on running in the background, and you can always come back and see the status of your records. But both of your apps will exactly stay in sync. So that's it for the video. We do offer a free 2 weeks trial. So just test it out for your use case. Thank you.